Yeah, Newhurst Waste from Energy, based in Loughborough, just off junction 23 at M1. Approximately 2,800 tonne structural steelwork. The good use of Tekla on that project is the gutter details were really intricate. So there was a lot of backwards and forwards from the engineer, and the fact that we were using the same models, the engineer would send us their model through. We can overlap that, overlay it, obviously find any details, and work with them to develop better details.
From the intricate details that we put into the model, we can then create our fabrication details. We can then export data to our factory, which cuts the time down that it takes for the factory to produce their end of things, and then we can get away with the finished product quicker.
It feels really good to be able to work in something that is recognized in the end, and the 3 projects that we earned this award, the 3 of them, they were really challenging, but in the end they went well, and that's amazing for all the design team and for all the teams involved.